Hello and welcome to the next adventure in CATIA V5. This little tutorial is going to be on broken views. It's kind of here, and we've got a drawing already loaded in, some views we'd like to break. Now, broken views is basically if your view is too long to fit on the drawing sheet, or it's just you've got some boring piece of stuff in the middle you don't want to detail, but you want the two ends to be on the drawing face. We can break the view, simply chops out the middle of the view. So first up we make sure that the view we want to break a chunk out of is active. Click on the broken link, the broken view icon, and then we simply click in the view. Notice now we get two green lines appear, showing us where the cut will happen, horizontal or vertical. We want the vertical, so we pull the mouse down, indicate, and then we get the second cut line. We can indicate where we want that to be, make it here, and that is your broken view. You click outside the view for the view to update and be created, and there's your broken view. I have multiple broken views, multiple breaks in one view. There we go. And then the next thing we can do is, if we want to remove the views, we can go down and right click on the view and then navigate to unbreak, and I'll put the view back to how it was, and that's broken views. So once again, it's simple. Click on the icon, click on a view, select vertical or horizontal, select again to give you your first cut, second cut, outside the view to update, and there you have it. And that is creating broken views. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.